literally just got home and I see a package just arrived. Somebody bitten, I don't understand. I literally, as you can see, literally just came in. I'm so excited to get this. I mean, why would you rip the corner of it? Or has it been ripped to see, or has it been ripped damaged? I don't know, but let me show you. I've been waiting for this for over a month. No, man. Right. So, let me just tell you. Getting warm. Outside is 20 degrees. Right, let me just tell you like this. An Australian company get these bars. It's handlebars. Get these bars from China. I found where they're getting it from, and I ordered it straight from the manufacturer. And that's it. Right. You can just about see. The packaging was okay until somebody ripped this freaking side of it. In fact, I'm gonna make a picture as well. So, I was about to grab onto this. There's nothing there because it's different kind of bars. Oh my goodness. That's what it is. Let me unpack it. Right, so cutting this part, there's an extra bag. So let me just say the packaging is pretty decent. Yeah, let me just carry on. So let me put the plate on. So from the end, this is how it comes. It's like a rubber cap on it. There is a hole down here for the wires from this side. This is like a little cornice there, going from bigger. There's a line, you can see just about. Wicked. This is 2 inch, 12 inch wide, 2 inch diameter pipe, and it's up to here is 12 inch supposed to be. On this side we can see cut, especially on this side as well. Slot there for the brake fluid, I believe. Container thingy. Then you've got oh yeah, the damage. So there you go. Nothing else is damaged but on that end. But the good thing about shall I say, the unfortunately is damaged, but the okay part is that it will be covered by the handlebar what do you call it, grip. It's a bit dirty. Right, so you've got a cut for electrical wires there, you've got a cut for electrical wires on that side. You've got the hole there for all the wiring to come out here. This thing's supposed to be 1.5, I think. No, 125. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But anyway, this is what it is. The new bars arrived. And yes, I'm doing it in the kitchen.